Hello and welcome. This is Khushbu Batta and today we will learn how you can automatically send a message in Microsoft Teams when a new task is added in Asana. So let's say you run a business and you use Asana for work management purpose. Now you want every time a new task is added in Asana, a channel message of the same should be sent on Microsoft Teams alerting the person you have assigned the task to. So how can you do it? Now every time manually reminding the person about the task can be difficult. So how about you try our Pabbly Smart way? Here we will integrate Asana with Microsoft Teams, all using Pabbly Connect. So whenever a new task is added in Asana, a channel message would be sent on Microsoft Teams. And don't you worry, this entire automation process is so simple that it can even be done by a person of non-technical knowledge. You can find the workflows link below in the description box. Now come to my screen to see how we do it. To automatically send a message on Microsoft Teams when a new task is added in Asana, let us first go to Pabbly's website. For that, let us write Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, did you know if you sign up for free, you will get 100 free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Asana to Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams, create. Okay, you will see two windows here, trigger and action. Trigger is basically when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Say a trigger can be when an order is placed. The action can be add all the order details to Google Sheets. In our case, a trigger can be when a new task is created in Asana. The action can be send a channel message to Microsoft Teams. Let us begin. For a trigger application, we will select Asana. For a trigger event, we will select new task in project. Why? Because it will trigger whenever a new task is added to a project. Connect. Add a new connection. Okay. It says authorization successful. Since we were already logged into my Asana account, I did not have to give my credentials again. Now you will have to select the project. We only have one project, that is Connect. I'll show you. Let us go to my Asana's account. Here you can see on the left, you can see the workspace option, and here it is, the project. Yes. Now let us save and send test request. So you will see it will show up this waiting for response. For that, let us quickly go to Asana and create a dummy task. Here, this is my dashboard. On the left, I'll select my project and you can see Connect. This is the same project that we had selected here. Now, I want to add a task. So, I will write check SEO strategy. Okay, here I would like to give the details. The assignee's name, Ashmita. I want to allot this task to Ashmita. The due date would be, let me set it for Monday. Priority, it's a medium priority task. And we are good to go. So the task has been created. Now let us go to Pabbly Connect and you will see it has captured the response. Here it is. Let us scroll and you will see the assignee's name. The task was assigned to Ashmita Mandal. And you can see the project name, that was Connect. The task that we assigned, check SEO strategy, these details are here. This means we have successfully integrated Asana with Pabbly Connect. Now on to the next step, that is action step. For this, let us select Microsoft Teams. For the action event, we will select send message in our channel, because we want every time a task is created in Asana, a message should be sent in a channel in Microsoft Teams. So connect the two. So again, since here I was already logged into my Microsoft account, I will not have to give my credentials. Just accept. And it is done. Okay, now we will have to select here the teams and the channels. So I'll show you here. This is my Microsoft dashboard, and here I've created some teams and channels as well. On the left hand side you can see. So now let me select the team in which I want to send this message to. Digital Initiative Public Relations. I want to send this message in this team whenever a new task is added in Asana. So I've selected this here. The channel I've selected as general. Like you can see, I'll show you. Let me click here. So I want to send a message to this Teams whenever a task is added in Asana. Okay. Now we will have to write the message that we want. So we'll write, hey, the assignee's name will come here. Yes. Hey, Ashmita Mandal, you have been allotted a task. We will map in the task here. We will scroll down and you will see the task here. Check SU strategy. Kindly look into it. So this is the message that we want to send. Now you must be thinking, where did we get these details from? The things that we mapped in, the name, assignee's name and the task name. So let me take you to the first step. Here you will see when we established a connection between Asana and Pabbly Connect, we received a response when we created a dummy task in in Asana. Here is the response you can see. So this is the exact same response that Pabbly brought us here. This is the exact same response. All right. Now we want to send this message in this team's Digital Initiative Public Relations. So now let us just click save and send test request. And it says response received. You can check the response here. Now let us go to this channel, this team's name, Digital Initiative Public Relations on Microsoft Teams, and see if there is any message like this, if the message has been sent. And you can see here. Hey, Ashmita Mandal, you have been allotted a task. Check SU strategy. Kindly look into it. One thing I would like to tell you about the details, the fields that we mapped in here is, once you have mapped in these details, that is assignee's name and the task name, from next time, whenever a new task is created in Asana and assigned to some other person instead of Ashmita and with a different task name, so these two details, the assignee's name and the task name, will automatically be updated here in the message box and you will not have to write it again. Also, a lot of people ask us that if we will have to do this integration again. So the answer is no. Once you have integrated, once you have made this automation, you are all set to go. From next time, it will automatically work. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.